Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change DPI settings on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. To change DPI settings, well, want to go into settings. Unfortunately, you can't really change the resolution of this phone. You can, however, change a few other things, for example your display refresh rate. Under display settings, you can change the refresh rate to better smart, which will, depending on your need, change between 60 and 120. Hyper smooth, which will try to keep it at 120 at all times, and the efficiency first, which will try to keep it at 60 for whenever it can. Another thing you can change is the size of your text. For example, look here, you can increase the font size like such. You can change display size to increase the size of icons and text too, as a matter of fact. So if you change them both to be maximum, they will be quite large and really helpful if you have problems with eyesight. You can bolden your text to make it even more visible and enable high contrast text, which will make it all higher contrast, which will make it even more visible. You can reset settings too, just to return to what it was before. Another thing you can do is, of course, change color contrast settings. This might help with if you have problems with eyesight. Turn on high contrast text too in this place. You can also try to look into accessibility, which should be visible under accessibility right here, and you can look again display size and text, color and motion to, for example, turn on color correction if you have the different color just problems. You can remove animations, which will potentially help save battery too, but mostly just in case you get motion sick or anything like this when looking at those screen animations. You can also just use the many different accessibility options that you can see here. You can look through them to see which ones you want to have turned on. And that's pretty much it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.